Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A90 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, open Play Store and type Magic Fluids. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it and click at the bottom right corner. Choose Settings, click I accept, and over here you can customize your wallpaper however you want. When you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner again. Choose Set or Slave Wallpaper, then set wallpaper and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of the options. Now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!